Hey buddy, it's John with Upstate Brush Control. A little wet outside today. It's been raining off and on, and so we're heading over to the big mountain job Willy's been working on, and we send Josh over there today with the other mini to just to help with him, just because we weren't able to mulch today, and I had some run around and jobs to look at. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna give the camera to them today, just so you guys can see kind of the job, what they've been working, or what Willy's been working on, and the progress we've gotten done so far, and how it's looking and everything. So the job, pulling up to it right here. Kind of all this still has to be done looking back this direction, so we're trying to keep as many big trees as we can. But the customer's going to build a horse pasture, or we are building a horse pasture. They're going to put horses in here and cows. Big old hill goes up. This area has not been seeded yet. Still needs to be Harley raked and seeded. We've got some seeding done. I'd say 5 to 8 acres of it has been seeded, and just got some more finishing and stuff to do right here. Farther up is the area where we have seeded. We're right at about 21 acres right now, and it's coming along very well. I'm happy with it. I'm happy how everything is going. You know, of course, I wish it was going a little bit faster, but that's all right. It is what it is. It's like they got Bertha a little dirty. I ain't going off the gravel. The place a swampy mess, but she's looking really good. Got my brother's side-by-side out here. Let me borrow it. Just running back and forth over the top of the hill. It gets old real quick. But there's a tree line up there that you can see that we went to, and then we went down the back side of that hill. We're coming all the way around over to here, but I don't know if Willy will explain that or not. But we got this still to clean up. Oh goodness, sloppy. But yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's Willy with Upstate Brush Control. So like John was saying, I'm just out here burning all the piles those guys push up, and just kind of keeping them going, and just trying to get this job done. So what we got going today is we've gotten all the material like all the way around. That's the edge right there. That's as far as we're going. So we got all the material pushed up to here, and all that's pretty much burned. You know, all the big material is. So I'm just kind of going through, looking for anything big left in these dirt piles, burning that. There's a pile almost this big all the way around. You know, all the way down to that tree down there, all the way up, and then kind of where I am, all the way around this side as well. So over the last couple days, I've been going through that and just kind of getting out, you know, stuff like this, and just burning that just so we don't have to bury it. We got Josh going over there. He's doing the same thing to another pile, and then when I get all this burned up, we'll push it all that way, and we'll either dig a big hole over there and bury the ashes, or there's a kind of a gully over here. We might bury it down there too. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But I'm gonna put you on time lapse because this will probably bore you to tears, just me going through this pile and getting it out. So let me get that set up and we'll get going. So guys, so we just had a little oh my goodness, sorry, the wrench got stuck to the magnet there. Had a little issue with one of those hoses right there, started leaking. I started smelling hydraulic oil in the cab. I looked down and I was like, well, that's wet, that's not good. So I shut it down, got out, looked at it, and sure enough, one of those is just weeping out of there. So went ahead and tightened it, and it was tight. So it Josh over there making faces at me, but it's tight, so it's probably just an O-ring. We'll keep running for the rest of the day. It's only got another hour or so, and keep running it, just keep an eye on it, make sure it's not coming out faster. And so I'm just trying to keep my cab a little cleaner here, but we'll get the parts for it, or the O-ring for it, in the morning, so not a big deal. So guys, so we got this O-ring off, and there's probably no way you can see that, but there's a little chip out of it, so that's probably why she's leaking. So we got it out, we got it O-ring out, and we got the fitting put back on. We'll get this O-ring tonight, bring it back in the morning. We're gonna get this loaded up. Actually, let's pull it on the road and then load it up, because she ain't getting out here otherwise. So but we're gonna get out of here. Thanks guys. All right guys, just want to give you a little overview of the job up here, but so this is from the top, where right down there is where Josh is working, and over there where that smoke is coming from, that's where I was at just a minute ago. So this is kind of the top. There's that road right down there. Oh wow, you're not gonna be able to see anything from the how's that? Probably not much better, but right down there is the road, and it goes along this way, and this dips down all the way to the road. We got another about, I think, 10 acres to go that way or so, and then up here where these hardwoods come in and nice trees, most of that's not his. He owns a little corner over here, so we'll clear pretty much that way to the road, another 10 acres or so. It comes down this way, gets really steep over in here, and it's pretty steep, but then it just goes down into that hole down there. I got a fire down there, and then it rolls up and rolls around and curves around that way to where we were working. So I think we're at like 20, low 20s as far as what's opened up and smoothed off, and we have a couple acres seeded. I'm not sure exactly how much. It's not much. It's windy and cold up here, but that's hopefully that's what the whole thing looks like right there. Real nice. Goodness gracious, I gotta go back in the machine, it's cold. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. Contrary to popular belief, I'm not chained up in a basement somewhere. Saw a comment that said that. Just been out here working, been busy, but it's going good. Thanks guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching.